All right, guys, as promised. Remember yesterday when I was live flying in my drone through the church, and I was telling you guys how we are converting the church into an event center. So, again, as promised, guys, this is the final results, and it's just a quick Facebook commercial. You can throw it on Instagram, throw it on your Facebook. Believe it or not, in the local community, they really respond to videos like this. So, consider getting yourself a reasonable price drone. You can use a cell phone for video. Just throw some footage together. I'm not a professional. You don't have to be a professional, but trust me, I do it all the time, guys. It works. So here you go. Here's the results.
Step into the Christian Church J&M Events Center, a sprawling space tailored for your grandest events. Picture-perfect open rooms await, allowing your vision to flourish amidst our versatile surroundings. Named after the remarkable Josephine Martin and Mary Francois, our venue embodies their legacy of hospitality and distinction. Weddings, corporate gatherings, or any festivity find a home in this iconic setting. Our commercial kitchen is primed for culinary creativity, aligning seamlessly with your catering desires. But there's more. Immerse yourself in a selection of family-friendly environment. Parking, not an issue. With ample space in both front and side areas, your guests arrive stress-free, diving straight into the celebration. Exciting news, be part of our soft openings, offering steeply discounted rates, making these moments not just memorable but incredibly affordable. Join us at the Christian Church J&M Event Center where space meets affordability, crafting indelible memories at unmatched value. 2528 Talbot Avenue, Thibodaux, Louisiana 70301.